Hello everybody and welcome to Retro Ratchet. So this video is going to be about the 2-litre Montego HLS project and I'm going to show you how I took the engine out it. So if you're enjoying this project series, please remember to like and subscribe, hit that bell icon so you get notifications when the next videos are released. Right, this is part 2 of the Montego HLS project where I'm going to attempt to pull out this seized engine. Don't worry, I've time-lapsed the boring bits so we can try and fit the whole job into around 13 minutes viewing time. So stick your feet up, grab a coffee while I do all the graft. Right, so part 2 is get the drive shaft released from the hub and then the gearbox at both sides. Right, there's a drive shaft free there, so it's going to be a case of getting the suspension out of the road. Trying to think the best plan of action for this. So it's got its original, you might not be able to see from that angle, but it's on the original wishbones that are, I've got large rivets to hold the ball joint onto them in there, so yeah, they're going to have to be ground out, so that's probably not the best plan for this. So possible I can just try the pinch bolt there to drop that ball joint away from the hub carrier, and that might give us enough free space once we take the track rod end off to actually push the drive shaft out. Right, let's get the gearbox oil drained so that when we pull the first drive shaft out, the oil doesn't piss everywhere. Right, let's try and get this drive shaft disengaged from the gearbox. Here we go. Right, so just a repeat of everything we've done on the passenger side. Drive shaft out here, drive shaft out the gearbox, and job's a good one. Before we start, so this looks like a interesting split pin. Looks like a bit of a coat hanger. It's been twisted round, but I guess does the job. I was hoping we would see anomalies like this. That'd be interesting. What people got up to back then. There we go. manifolds next. So that's those drive shafts obviously out now. The inlet one I think is just held on by a couple of the support bars, and that's held on just to the downpipe. So we'll get underneath and get those 3 downpipe nuts off. Hopefully they don't shear. Not a big deal if they do. We'll get it sorted. So these have to come out next. Looks like an 8 or a 10 mil through there, and there should be a wee pin to knock out on that one. Right, now we've got to figure out any wiring that's still attached. Like we've got an earth strap there, something going on down there, reverse sensor switch, a few wee bits and pieces, so we'll get that, and then I think that is us. Well, apart from that battery tray, we'll get the battery tray at the road just for a wee bit of access, and I think it's a case of get the car back down on the ground, get the crane on, engine mounts off, get that engine out. And there we have it, guys. Right, that's us ready to, we'll drop the body down of the car, so as we'll just not have the height to lift it up there. Drop that down, get these engine mounts off, and take it from there. So last few jobs to do before we get this engine out. We've got that engine mount to unbolt, that engine mount, the back, well, the bottom passenger side gearbox one, that's already loosened. The hoist's all ready, everything is, I've hopefully secured, so in release it should be a case of just get these engine mounts off and then a quick lift. There we have it. So I hope you all enjoyed that one and found it interesting. Please leave me some comments with your thoughts, and join me for the next one where I'm going to strip the rest of the bits out of that engine bay and get it ready for painting. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon if you want a reminder for the next upload. See you all next time.